Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin Bulletin. Today we're talking about the latest developments in the world of Bitcoin. So let's dive right in. Bitcoin is currently down 8% in February, and it's looking like it might just be the first month this year that it loses value. The average return on investment for Bitcoin so far this year has been around 14%, which isn't exactly the most impressive news for bulls out there. But on the bright side, according to Sina G, a Bitcoin proponent and co-founder of 21st Capital, the realized cap of Bitcoin has increased by 160 billion over the past 3 months. That's right, folks. This number underlines the economic footprint based on what investors have actually paid for the token, not just its current selling value. Now, you might be wondering why this is considered progress despite the overall market woes. Well, it's because Sina views it as a sign that long-term holders aren't panicking and selling their coins in droves, which would be a major red flag for the health of the Bitcoin network. On the other hand, we have some not-so-good news when it comes to network activity. Axel Adler Jr., a Bitcoin researcher, points out that Bitcoin's daily transfer volume has dropped by 76% over the past week, and active wallets are down by 74%. That's a pretty significant drop, especially considering how big the crypto space is. However, here's the thing. Even though investor behavior might be getting a little more cautious, long-term holders aren't panicking. And that's actually good news for the network. The Coinday's destroyed data has dropped to a new multi-year low, which suggests that people are still holding onto their coins and not selling them off en masse. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin's price action. We've had this flash crash from $102,000 down to $91,000. But the good news is that Bitcoin has managed to close above $95,000 for the entire month so far. But unfortunately, $95,000 seems like it might be in trouble. The support level has been tested 3 times over the past week, and it's getting weaker by session. If we go under $91,000 again, that could potentially take us back into the range below $90,000. The recent news from Strategy about acquiring 20,356 Bitcoins hasn't seemed to have triggered a correction in Bitcoin's price just yet, but it's definitely worth keeping an eye on. And on top of that, we've seen some big outflows from spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, $364 on February 20th alone. So, what does all this mean for Bitcoin's future? It's hard to say for sure, but one thing is clear. The bull market may be slowing down a bit. But hey, that doesn't necessarily mean it's over yet. Long-term holders are still holding on to their coins, and that's something worth keeping an eye on. That's it for today's Bitcoin Bulletin. Thanks for watching.